Hey guys, so I did a sneak peek video on this soundbar from Boss Audio. Originally I was going to kind of do a how-to on how to install it, but it was just so easy to install. A lot of you guys know with my disability, I try to do things that are a little bit easier for myself, and this can't get any easier. So check it out. Basically what I did is I ran a 1.5 inch bar inside the cab. I just went from seatbelt mount to seatbelt mount, sorry. Just basically did an L bracket right off the side. It was super easy. Comes with the clamps, and then for the wiring, Boss already has it set up for you guys. Literally all it is a cigarette lighter, so it's positive and negative. So I will fire the soundbar up, and you can hear how much this thing pounds. So yeah guys, as you can see, it was a super easy install. Again, it was just a cigarette lighter I have to just hook up to accessory. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. This is a 36-inch bar. You can turn the red, blue, and green lights off. I like running the red. It keeps the bugs out of the cab. Check out bossaudio.com. They do all kinds of stuff from automotive. They do UTV, ATV. They have all kinds of great sound systems. Make sure you guys check them out.